Hey, Owusu Bempah, what bodam? We are foolish too much. We near dream. Kwasea na woka no. We near dream. Who Owusu Bempah? Me no na call TI Amedia School. Me no na ti akonya ba akoso.
When ni nyasa chi NPP ni bi. Masa. NPP for kwasea for a so ye kwasea. NPP for kwasea for a so ye kwasea.
This week no be a very long week for Prophet Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempah. Ni na fa ensem a enkoma wa bedi afa NPP party no chirem NPP party no se be omu yan kwasea for nyansani bia ni party no mu na obawomia eye no me na wa wo beto abadem NPP 2028 no wa domel sound common na Owusu Bempah ebedi ye ne de week ni mo e de be trend pa ai ni sent no na Ziega ene blind Borgaria ene Ghana fo ne bi omu abe clash with so for Penyah there bi se so for amfa buo ne didi ama ne ho de ene omu dire title to nchen na adwuma wa bedi so for no enya asem kuma be dem wo ha no mo as mo host Penyah block me da best was wada woroma obebo subscribe button so now be turn the notification icon on for latest update eya no akere wa adwen e de ama me e wo comment na wo so e ma wonu aso enya bi e hwe dem e kan full NG Works Limited e de ama so wasi fie na o pese utu nso e wo ho no mo ana wo adwuma bi mu school mu ba bia asori pese mo tu nso amofra NG Work na enya no ko pese otu swimming pool so o me yesa adwumadie no o pese o install power plant se bia efie wo adwuma mu ba bia o install power plant school money hotels banks na mo pese mo install power plant o mo yesa adwumadie e ka ho ana solar panel na nsen kakra de ndum light plus up monfla NG Works Company Limited na o mo emi adwuma no mam yopo o mo bo so de e da form o mo nsem ne say distance is not a barrier baby obi agana ha ti o ba ho mamu na bo na gu ase na afro mu na eno mo twon command o mo board for o mo services e very affordable na e say ye clean o mo adwuma ho te e da yopo o mo adwuma ma wa unya mfunso bia e wo ho fra NG Works na eno mo twon command o mo ye adwuma de nya engineering bia no o mo nya f mo now let's go to the story busia on himself Prophet Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempah on MP before no e wo beef although mo eti ado anwo say ache e be endless beef na enwa Sunday no Owusu Bempah begina na aso dem na ne nkasem no kire say sebi MVP party no omuni munyansa omunya ye nkwasiafo de dikai na baomia eye no me na onhwe ema obi a wo ye antichrist obi a onye nyame nie onye yesu nie obi a kese opese humboni ahye no demons ahye no opese obi di oman so ebe ka kristo so mo hye no ontena ho ema side bakron ema di oman konkuru Ghana so ono na pain so onye sa adwumadie no eno sa kire mu se wa wo beto aba e dia come NPP come 2028 elections no dia won Owusu Bempah wa domel onu asefo nyina mu nye ye mu be hu nyame no me or de no me be domemo twese Owusu Bempah ke kan sem pa na sem nyina se NPP ma dampale ebe che na abro ne agrada nya asem na ono sofo panyini twi tuo ekọ agrada fie ne ebe che no tu mu no se dampare ekufo na dampare abeche no onye ebone bia ono na twi tuo e da ko wuro bi fie no wo se onye ebone it isn't can be for me actually because ono na de NPP ba ba mu ti no se sebi wadi nsimhunu kura na nka yenya no oburo Ghana mra so ono na de NPP ba ye it oburo Ghana mra ne so nti no odi nkwa asem kra yenya no ni nkwase asem ono na de NPP ba ba mu ever since Owusu Bempah ready so many attack against NPP for enra ema say demonstration mo ya kra de was at na bi ni afnya market the two pansan mo sisiom kwase nyina se semi party nyansani bia no munya nkwase afo mewa NPP for ya wodi o matami me fa won kwa chiri kra eye on the 31st of March 2024 ana eye Easter Sunday baomia na wose oye no me no baomia na wose oye antichrist baomia na wose demons ahomone ahye ne ma no baomia eko na asori fie ene ne ko somo ye ema hokura no o ma baomia ne pulpit o mountain platform ema baomia kasa ho no mo
Pacho Montanasi. Me Papa, Apostle Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempah, General Overseer, Glorious Word, Power Ministries International. The Pastoral Board, any church elders, Thai congregation, Penyah Fua, Omodime Baha, Ene Eye Da Sronko, Yenyina Yenim, Christosumu, Dayi Se Eye Da Sronko, Easter, Eye Da ye nyina ye gidi se ohwe said ye Christosumo Jesus Christ owiye na osori ye so by the third day and yes sir ekirese yame se yenwo awushemu se bibia no bi essay ena ekina ebetimi ayeye
that time no dey also for who say bawumia no me also for who say bawumia no me demons ahye bawumia ma also for ehunu na nani afina wa ehunu eno ma bawumia ko gina the pulpit so pulpit na ho no gina di dwuma no enipa say oye no me no demons ahye ne ma no o ma ne kwai ma no begina wo pulpit so oba for the wuji sika no wo hu say that time we no me nyame be hu nipa mobo na temoni de be yere say heaven kwanta there will be so many surprises we hu obi na wo ye dede asase so base wo kobo nsamji na obi a na kesi nipa yero ya hyew na okọ heaven best surprise nipa bebrebe now this attack now Owusu Bempah be ready against NPP party at large no eno o mpani for say kokram amfere ese ebe tale wo hu ne so a wo mfere ese o dia tower ebe fam so ana respect obuo ewo hoi eye wodema na wanya eye reciprocal obuo bi a enu obuo ana yesi se panyini amfa ni die amma no ho na okudi akoda tema akoda no de panyini anim twitwi fom wanfa respect amma ne title no as prophet doctor wanfa respect amma no anu asabe di nkoda na tem etukomi da se abusia gate na ati free ekwan wabokwan ato ne ho se nkora ni na tem eti nana Ziega any bland Borgaria mo any sound other Ghanaians no we any semo a omo ka chest of Penyah.
Hey, Owusu Bempah wa bodam. Wo ye foolish too much. Wo ni adwen. Osiasem na wo kan ye no. Wo ni adwen. Wo Owusu Bempah. Me no ne call TI Amadia school. Me no na ti akonwa ba akoso. Wonye sofo, onye kristoni. Me na me ka kire mo ne. Osiasem akwa. Ene wo the Bible akata woni ase. Bible akata oti so. Ena wo de be kafo akire NPP. E ma na ye wo mu no. Wa bodam Owusu Bempah. Wo nim de okeka. Owusu Bempah ye obi a okosku kwa na ni kato atete. Me see mopa munkobusa oba bia waware no ne na gai ana one na tena atwempra pa bia munkobusa se me see we oni hwe oni aduru bia onsum nyame apu aduru ben he memo bia nyina ba bi nkase we on e bo NPP da bito nyame eno na de bia me ka chem se NPP party on ye di sa nuama na chia na yen ya ye be ye adwuma ofom aboa kansempa adi party no dance ama nkrofo anya rehyimu ato aba ma ya ba power no obo se adodode ewo mu no ye de ba koban kwasiafo we mu obodam papa hwe so be ka chem se me party ye jimi abodam kwasi asem na wo kra wo abodam wo ni kra chia space ya wo hihye no opo bi oban bi ankɔhwɛ nse me si na ni kra chia tumi be na wo amu sorry a na mo di nyankopɔ akata mo ni na mo di kwasi asem e wo Ghana mo sorry a na yeso Bible ene ye ukura Bible ye ya asofo dem asofo ebi no mo jimi too much asofo ni bi jimi too much mo kasa fu na mo kasa no mo kasa Ghana ye mo di ana ana wo Owusu Bempah kasa Ghana ye wo dia wo dia na wo tumi be na wo Owusu Bempah tumi be na wo mo ni nyankopɔ tumi bia wo so mo ni tumi bia wo so mako duadua mo na mo de ya isem na mo de nam ho na mo de akogya mo property so di preacher wo say de bia wo nyame nsa wo so nyame nsa wo ni o se so wo Owusu Bempah NPP na waka no opa dane wa no ne be pa ya chew anya sa medunya ye no be call square obi a be ja wa me nja wo da
won ni nya sa chi NPP ni bi masa NPP for enkwasiafo a wonso ye kwasea NPP for enkwasiafo a wonso ye kwasea because 29 people NPP for mo ye enkwasiafo yi eba wa sorry ema o ma bofo Raphael ema o sa ma 200 million ugie NPP for ye o mo ye enkwasiafo ya o mo ma o scam ugie ba otan ani brenti o sorry na o ti wa sorry kikan kwasea masa Ghana ha no bi ani o monopoly over insult sa wo ye sofo a diulem wo ye sofo a diulem na buumu na eden na buumu but and hide behind me ye sofo no na nkotena wa sorry na ni di nkofo atem because se wo be kan sem na be top public obi all right so tire na adwin eno na ya ye kan na mo the court any police Say na mo tumi a mo de domia. I don't know become asema na mo de ne court. Say mo tumi a mo de domia. I don't know become asema na mo the police. Mo the police na almost omo ni bibia no. Police now almost almost done irresponsible. Almost teaming differentiate between a criminal issue and a civil issue. Now the police at tata nkofo. Ya bremo, we are sick and tired of you. How come say software to me kotina na asori? Ghana same we minti bi dakra. Say sophobia is other. Say software kotina na asori. And to me a whole NPP political party say NPP for en kwasea for. Omo ye jimi for. Say omo mo bi be didi batem bi ma. Medome ba o. Obedome ba o mia. Ubedume ba umia Ghana akonya na ye odi anade na obusu ani bia me president ade na chaso nso wo asore o ko election wantimi amana enwini mo ma enwe ho why ANS ene tai ti adi dwuma di bro ANS woni amana wo di fi Ghana e ko UK na Germany no ye de be kwa ma asundwe nya wo di fi Germany na UK so ba Ghana ye de be ba asundwe ma ANS wo hwe land ye West Croydon Germany o district na Ghana ye Accra say bad say open left hand driving cars say be a tractor be open bibi jaye bibi ANS obetime ni ato kese na oni adikasubo eno ye betime akra afi abrochire ama okama ya ye betime tua duty na ma but eno ye of TNC terms and conditions apply underline the word terms and conditions apply eno ye betime akra ai kana afi abrochire tua duty na bebia wo bia dia bro kama oni amano so de oba ya ebetima ye packaging na ma bebia yo workshop kese e wo lashibia se ni amane ba ni ekotema ni ekọ wale ni ekọ hifa lora ni ekọ hifa ni na ebe kwa gugum na bibia so ai kama ANS odo boy ekotokron kafem da ANS supremo ANS numero 1 Ghana anu no osofo bia ni oyi o man panima obia asofo ni na mu komsha mu hye na we ne be win election bebre na consultation me minim sa asofo ya o se NPP for enkwasiafo 2020 mia na me ko nfie ko ka kire ne say 2024 say abato da ni Saturday adoma ama be win me challenge no me say mia na me ko nfie ko ka kire no say 2024 7 December na say ko si Saturday ko adia joma ama be win so ya mu di mu tuno na me na kasa mo be president as mu ko ware a obi nyame ne ntimi nka nkire mo say oba na makofa no e obi yire wa America nyakopo hwemu nyina kwasi do Borgaria ni afrejodu adwoan ni wani kwasi do ba no Salome ama ehweremia ene ohene kwaku na nani kwaku jima ene ama bosuduma na nani mewie makasa wie me insuro contempt me insuro bibia mo so ya mo the court hunehunu amanfo ene fine na mo the police so wo ka sem beto publica obia all right so chire na adwin. If you don't want to be insulted, don't also insult anybody. So see MPP for a kwasiafo me a member of the MPP, me a card bearing member. Me try to abama MPP, it means me a kwasiya. So I also have every right to react to you. So I won't say NDC abanwe and I am making. They do pick and choose. Say motimi kwache Prince Abuaji say wodidi ba omi atema. Ade na sa so for na otina sorry ka say MPP for en kwasiafo. Omo ya jimi for no so mo kwache no. Say motimi kwache Prince Abuaji a ade na sa so for no de mo kwache no. Yakupon hwe na ma me fancy ya Prophet Bernard baby I will be ma me chia.
That's it.
Yes, Reverend Owusu Bempah. I wanted to talk about that, but let me rest my case there. Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Yeah.
You see, say, now sorry, the begu.
Oh.
Yes, the begu. Oh, pass my market to the wall. Be maker.
Evangelist.
Listen, Ubi oni mi biya say. In my days, I started reading psychological books or take cancer and be defiant normal, be defiant normal, and be doing something this I deal with human behavior and then confide with myself. I saw any begu. But make sure I do quit begu. Listen to me. If NDC, every election 2028,
yeah.
Ultimate take credit no. Reverend Owusu Bempah, say NDC we need 2028 elections. Ultimate take the credit to you because we have a lot of NDC pastors almost prophesy say NDC will win 2028. Haven't we heard some before? Jamaica no atase. Te said year 2024 ye ba beto aba no. Tama no prophesy say President Mahama ntimi nya president biem no. That ana Badu Kobi, Reverend Badu Kobi, any prophet Niger Gesimo prophesy say 2024 NDC will win the power. The American actors say, and son or Bekabi. Beside that, what the bar in the physical realm, me as a logician, meaning say, who follow the history of Ghana politics, the information of Ghana politics, ababi aba onya 8 years, mewa. Ababi aba onya 8 years. So, logically, Ubatimi Akase, this will get 8 years. Mewa. The only opportunity NPP ever to win 2028 is say, NDC will be fielding new candidates. In our history, our Ghana politics, no, party bia fielding fresh candidate. I want to be our contested pay, a contested what we need that. And I say, Obia, when a certain president be contested, I be we need a see that, a be see that. That's the only opportunity NPP has going into 2028 elections. By me information, I mean, from the 1992 bad day. Aba when you're 8 years. So you can also be informed by that information to say that NPP wouldn't come to power. An 8-year-old girl cried him say NDC 1. They had 8 years. NPP 1, they had 8 years.
I be here to me see.
2000 NDC 2 had 8 years. NPP 2 had 8 years.
Yeah, but be here to me see.
Yes, and I will tell you why. Not sorry to be good. Check. Listen. Say, Dr. NDC we need to take credit. Dr. Baumia Winia ebe collapse na sorry.
Next about me and a winnie and also in the begu.
Yes,
that's what you are saying.
Yes, I'm saying that send this winnie and your noa because nipa bebre akada. Some winnie and a pair the information of physical realm. No. Send this winnie and your noa because a baby about 8 years. But Dr. Baumia winnie and also in the begu because people will come to realize that we are a certain man of God. I'm telling you.
That want to mean cancer man of God.
Yes,
I don't know. Obekachan is all your settings.
Make sure you quality or a certain man of God.
Would that be want to mean cancer?
Apart from Adidiatemno, make sure you quality or a certain man of God. Okay? What kind of Pew Ghana researcher? Pew Research Center. Or me a research firm, a global research firm. Almost the fastest growing major religion in the world, Islam. TNU. Islam. Now 2010 equals 2028. 10 years. Nipa 347 million. And a core Islam. And no matter the quality Christianity, crawling, intimate growth to say Islam. One of the key factor we have theology, you find to be Christian apologetic. Say Christian apologetic, you know, HSA. Who defended the Bible and the Christianity because there are some exposés be our Bible more. And sometimes and conform with you say it does not make sense to them. For example, who the Bible say, Tama Ken Ku Nunia Abel no Ken Koi and or Koware no way. That time you see the path for the net we are say why no Kokoware. You need a theologian to break that to them. So people read the Bible. And this Christian apologetic, when they don't understand it, they go to Islam. That is one too. Almost the lifestyle of today, the lifestyle of the modern men of God. The lifestyle of the modern men of God is reducing, reversing people from Christianity. The lifestyle. And that lifestyle, Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Are you saying so? You're man of God.
Are you
saying he's not spiritual?
Me say,
That's why you're spiritual or not. No minimum kumasi. The fed in Libya. Unu bobo pa. O bobo ni fed in Libya. Unu bobo pa. No minimum say ya mensa on so. But you walk canu and I mensa so and now win. No minimum say ya mensa on so. But you walk minimum say I don't know because a true man of God will do this. You let me come to my ear. And the quote make us say, oh yeah, settings man of God, they say. Boss, so with this argument I make ya. Obviously, some lifestyle of some men of God contribute to reverse the progress of Christianity. Listen, inconsistency, of some of the men of God. A man called Christianity. A man called fire reluctant. They don't go to church because of this inconsistency. Listen, Reverend Owusu Bempah, NDC 2. Rasmu Barak, I am a boss. Tell you. Catch a Ghana for say. Tamana Reverend Owusu Bempah Bashi NDC for no. Reverend Owusu Bempah Baomo Hose Yamano Okshekas. Aman Farmer no. If you want to start to say or criticize NDC day in and day out, every day NDC is because of that.
But on to the wide media, mammy, a comment section. I hype in your block media.